Welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the hanging baskets as a part of indoor garden. Hanging baskets. Hanging baskets are easy and cost-effective way to brighten our garden. Hanging baskets are full of flowers or foliage plants. Give a color boost to the house and garden. They can be used effectively even in very small space. They add a seasonal pop of colors that works well hang in your front garden to welcome guests and in your backyard and even from a suitable structure. Components of hanging baskets. For hanging baskets, containers, liners, planting medium and plants are required. Let us discuss the components of hanging basket garden one by one. First, containers. Hanging baskets come in wide range of different styles and materials. Plastic or wire baskets are ideal containers for hanging baskets, but populars are solid-sided baskets that have built-in water reservoirs and are ideal for hot exposure conditions. A selection of natural oven varieties from traditional round silhouettes to more contemporary cone shapes. Liners. Liners are used in wire hanging baskets to hold the soil and plants in position. Liners can be made up of dried sphagnum moss or coconut fiber known as coir. Liners will help to keep the moisture in and stop compost from peeling out. Some of the hanging baskets come pre-lined, so depending upon the material, you simply need to puncture a few holes in the bottom for drainage. Drainage is essential so that the planting mix will not become waterlogged. Planting medium. A lightweight potting mix is needed for containers. For container gardening, soilless planting mixes provide excellent drainage, aeration, and water holding capacity that ordinary garden soil cannot supply. And lastly, plants. Let us discuss now the plants suitable for hanging baskets. Hanging basket plants are small plants with slow growth like Sedum morganianum, commonly known as donkey's tail. This long-tailing succulent with vibrant green leaves will draw instant attention as hanging plants. Best grown in full sunlight with regular moderate watering throughout the year, except in winter. Spider plant, that is Chlorophytum comosum. These plants covers a lot of horizontal and vertical space, so they are perfect for filling in those big empty spots in your home. String of necklace, that is Dischidia numularia. The string of necklace features coin-shaped leaves and gorgeous silver variegation. These trailing epiphytes grow well on wood, stones, and in buckets. String of necklace plants are easy to care. Begonias. Begonias have earned their place as one of the best hanging plants for their showy flowers, available in wide varieties of colors from yellow, orange, red, pink. Moss rose. For hanging, moss rose is a hardy choice. These colorful flowers may look dainty. Creeping jenny. Creeping jenny has small yellow flowers, but it is mostly grown in its golden foliage, which trails over the edges of the hanging baskets. Petunias. Petunias are popular bedding plants that are particularly popular in hanging baskets. They come in wide range of colors from white to dark purple. Some are bicolored also. Geranium. Geraniums are low maintenance plants and perfect for any hanging basket. Found in an array of different colors, they can fit any kind of space and grace. Steps for preparation of hanging baskets. First, select a hanging basket that is container of suitable size. Place a liner in the basket. Add a planting medium into it, which contains soilless medium with essential fertilizers. Around the sides of basket, gently push the roots of trailing plants through the hanging basket liner and firm them into the compost. Arrange the remaining plants in the top of the basket. Firm more compost around the root balls, keeping the final level a few centimeters below the top of the basket. to allow the space for watering. Select the spot for hanging. Hang the basket using the chains so that it will close to the eye level and it can be admired as well as watered easily. Continue to water at least daily. Maintenance of hanging basket. Hanging basket needs occasional watering. Watering should be light. Heavy watering results in waterlogging. Use of water saving gel. It will help to keep the plant moist, and the use of slow release plant food nourishes the plant throughout the season. A little trimming will keep the overgrowth of plants under control. Removal of diseased or insect damaged plants regularly. So this is all about hanging baskets.